and how's the day for you?
Happy birthday, Ashima. Many, many happy returns of the day.
Thank
How
you
are
very
you?
much. I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you very
I'm
much.
great, feeling good, very nice weather.
Yeah, I know. I know. Thank you, Suraj. Thank you very much. Thank you for the lovely DP thing, and thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you, Archika. You've started it, I think.
It has to. Wishes कभी भी भूलनी नहीं चाहिए देनी. Blessings and wishes, both.
I know. Blessings, wishes, showing gratitude, feeling,
Hmm.
all
We
these
should
things
not
are.
hesitate.
Yeah, I know. Thank you very much for that. So, it's been a beautiful journey so far, the life has been. And today we are talking about relationships back again. Thank you very much, Gaurav. Gaurav has come after. Is it the same Gaurav? Wait. Uh, yeah, Gaurav has come
He's
after a very
been there
long.
with us in many circles, I guess. Yes.
No, okay. So Gaurav has come after many times, many days or something, right? Thank you very much, Gaurav. So, guys, we have started a season where we are talking about romantic relationships and we are talking about the nitty gritties. And yesterday we were talking about relationships and what makes the relationships to start. So, Archika, we were talking about various things. We were talking about compatibility and all that stuff. So, but the question which came to my mind was that do romantic relationships also have different types? And we have somebody with us, MD Raj. Um, Raj, good morning. And I think Arjun has also joined. No, Arjun is there. I saw him and no, he came and he went, I think. So, would you want to talk something, MD Raj? I think little busy. Okay. Arjun is saying I'm a little busy. Thank you very much, Arjun. Please continue being good and listening and asking if there are any questions. So going to romantic relationships. Hello, Deepak. How are you doing, dear? It would be lovely to hear one of these days, as I keep saying always. So, guys, when we talk about romantic relationships, let's understand if there are types to romantic relationships. Romantic relationships also have types. Archika, do you agree with this?
Kind of, but I actually never explore the categories in romantic relationship.
All right. So I'll quickly move ahead because MD Raj is not talking. So, guys, we'll be talking about the types of romantic relationships which are there. And we'll be talking about why romantic relationships go bad today. So, the two focus areas today are how many types of romantic relationships are there, if there are any, and why do they go bad? So I'll just quickly run you through a little thing, and then Archika will keep the dice open for anybody to join and talk about it, right? All right. So when I talk about Indian context, guys, uh, nice profile, Deepak. Sanket is saying to Deepak. All right. Thank you very much. Deepak is saying Sanket. So, going on to romantic relationships, guys, when you talk about Indian context, mind you, I would want to tell you the Indian context and the American context also. And before we go on to go further, I will try to tell you if you can go to a website called bondwithlove.com, which belongs to ISCA, Indian Specialized Counseling Academy, Archika and me, and our team. We are having a lot of blogs there talking about love relationships, and there we are talking in Indian and American and the Western American concepts also. So if you love to read, you can go read those articles. You can go try to see if something interests you there. So you can get a lot of information and a lot of reading articles there. The website's name is bondwithlove.com, and it is even mentioned in our ISCA's profile. So, Abhishek, do you want to say something, dear? Abhishek, I think he's coming for the first time with us. Abhishek, good morning. How are you, dear?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine. Thanks for asking me.
Yeah. I mean, you're new to this channel, and what are the things which you're looking forward to when you've joined Mensa?
Just ma'am, I want to improve my communication skills
Great.
and just looking for a platform where I can improve my skills.
Wonderful. Stay tuned, Abhishek. You'll have a lot of circles, lot of people helping you. And here we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
talking about relationships, and let's go on to romantic relationships. So, when we talk about romantic relationship in the Indian context, the first thing which comes to our mind, the very first thing is arranged marriage. Like we were talking to Rajat yesterday, Rajat is into an arranged marriage, but today's generation they've gone a bit smarter. They know how to work an arranged marriage out. If they're getting into an arranged marriage and they like the person, if that initial spark is there, they would try to work it out by making things happen. And that is the reason in today's world and time the kids today are trying to have प्री-मैरिटल काउंसलिंग. दे डू प्री-मैरिटल काउंसलिंग बिकॉज से शादी के अंदर बहुत सी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं जो आगे चल के समझ में आती हैं, और तब तक ईगोज इतनी बड़ी हो जाती हैं कि you can't really stand by each other. So if you can understand and get into the concept of understanding each other right from the first day, if you are into an arranged marriage, you will be able to make a bigger difference to your life. So second romantic relationship in Indian context, guys, is love marriage. When we talk about love marriage, we all know now love marriage itself has a lot of branches and extensions. Love marriages can have a lot of reasons. You want to say something, Archika?
No, actually, when you were talking about this premarital counseling, people are coming and they are having contract type of things also nowadays. So it comes to my mind that whenever they are
We are
coming,
talking
so what
about
all?
pre-nep. I'm not talking about pre-nep. I'm talking about pre-nep is also altogether a different concept from pre-marital.
Yeah, but nowadays that is also very much in trend,
Yeah, yeah.
isn't it? And in our times, and we'll say ki it was not there, but what actually comes to their mind? Now, what is the state of their mind when they are thinking about it? When somebody is getting into a relationship, they are making a bond, they are making connection,
Hmm.
and they are actually thinking about love, caring, respect, and everything what we need in a relationship.
We'll go there slowly, Archika, because pre-nep is something which is very different from pre-marital. But when we talk about pre-marital, the kids are trying to get into understanding that what kind of problems can happen at a later stage between, because you see, marriage is in India, marriage or a relationship is not just about two people. Like it may be there in many countries, though every other country also have their family bonds, but still when we talk about India is culturally and the base of the family system is so strong that two people coming together is not just the affair of two people, and better not be. It is two families coming together, a lot of people coming together. So premarital counseling happens so that they can understand what are the, because क्या होता है ना जब हम शादी, like I am onto the concept of love marriage. लव मैरिज में भी बहुत से काइंड्स हैं. एक लव मैरिज होती है जो मतलब समझो बचपन की शादी. बचपन की शादी कैसे, आपको एडोलेसेंस में प्यार हुआ, आपको लगता है आप दोनों एक ही दूसरे के लिए बने हैं, एंड यू आर सो इनसिक्योर दैट यू क्विकली वांट टू गेट मैरिड, and you just get married, you tell your family and they involve you, and you have not thought about anything. You have not thought about whether your chemistry matches all right, but whether your the wavelength matches or no, whether you have a compatibility, whether you both understand each other's goals, whether you have vision for future with each other together. So there are a lot of things which come into marriages. But वो बचपन वाली शादी में क्या होता है, जो जल्दबाजी जो अब शायद नहीं होती है, हो सकता है कई जगहों पर अभी होती हो, because today's generation the kids are not wanting to get married early. Yes, they get married early if they find the person with them is really really compatible, and their families, they don't want them to linger that on. Now that's a different concept. I saw Gaurav coming in, and Gaurav is saying bondwithlove.com, and Manisha says talking about marriages gives me anxiety. Manisha, when I was like in my late 20s, not late 20s. When I was leaving my teenage, and when I saw people getting married at very early ages in way back, at that time I also had my anxiety. But you have to come to terms to understand with yourself, because marriage is a relationship which has a lot of components to it, guys. It is not just the marriage of two people. चलो शादी हो गया, खाना खाया, लोगों को बुलाया, बड़ा बड़ा पंडाल लगाया, फेरे हुए, हो गया शादी. शादी तो वहां के बाद शुरू होती है. It starts, Suraj says same here, Manisha. You know why it gives you anxiety? Like Rajat was talking yesterday that when he got married last year, he had never shared his bed with anybody. Now that is his cause, but he's trying to work it out. There is no meaning of, okay, Gaurav says there is no meaning to marriage. Absolutely. If you don't think there is meaning, it will not be. आपका thought process कैसा है? That decides everything for you guys. शादी, आई थिंक अर्चिका, ये एक अलग सर्कल बन सकता है कि शादी की एंजाइटी क्यों होती है, उससे कैसे मीट विद करना चाहिए, और उसमें
Ashima,
क्या.
actually, in this premarital counseling, we face a lot of issues because there is no standardized procedure to follow in this.
No, that is what we are working on, right? Together, we are
Yeah.
trying to make a premarital counseling module, and we are even trying to make a proper booklet of premarital counseling, right, Archika?
Yeah,
So that
to
we
teach
can.
couples that information about married life or to enhance their communication skills,
Huh.
or how to, develop
No, there
conflict
are,
resolution
see,
skills and all. So we are still, every counselor is facing this issue because there is no standardized procedure. If we are going for some disorder, if we are going for some
that
other
is what
issue, so
ISKA
we
is
know.
trying to do, Archika. We are trying to
Yeah, we are
standardize
trying, but
certain things.
I'm just, telling this thing, all this platform that for
Yeah,
everybody, that if somebody is
absolutely.
going for this process, so don't think that counselors के पास कोई एक लिस्ट है कि वो नंबर 1 या 2 टिक करता जाएगा, अच्छा ये हो गया, वो हो गया, सेकंड हो गया, ये सिम्टम्स तो नहीं, क्योंकि इसके वो सिम्टम्स तो होते नहीं है. इसका किसी हमारे WHO ने कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं दिया है हमें, because every individual is different. Fine,
No, but
every
there are, Archika, when we are trying to standardize certain things, देखो, I think guys you will have to join. अभी एक छोटी सी चीज आप सबको बता दूं, ये जो सीजन चल रहा है, इस सीजन में हम सिर्फ रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स की बात करेंगे, और वो क्यों बुरे हो जाते हैं, उनमें क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो ढूंढनी चाहिए. शायद आप लोगों की एंजाइटी यही कम हो जाए. अगर नहीं कम होती है तो देर आर मोर सर्कल्स यू कैन ज्वाइन, वी वुड बी डूइंग. बट एज Archika ma'am is saying we are trying to standardize and all this stuff. Archika, with your permission, as it is my birthday today, I want to, give a special thing to everybody who's
please,
here.
you have all the right.
ओके, अगले 20, ये जो हमारे नेक्स्ट 20 एपिसोड्स होने वाले हैं गाइस, उन नेक्स्ट 20 एपिसोड, यानी स्टार्टिंग येस्टरडे, वी स्टार्टेड येस्टरडे, हमारे 20 एपिसोड्स के बाद हम एक क्विज रखेंगे रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स के ऊपर, और इसके बीच में हम कुछ 2 लोगों को चूज कर. क्विज तो अलग है, क्विज का कंपोनेंट मैं बाद में बताऊंगी, मगर इस पर्टिकुलर सीजन में, इस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज में, रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स व्हाई डू दे गो बैड के अंदर हम लोग 2 लोगों को चूज करेंगे जो हमारे से फ्री सेशन ले सकते हैं, एक for their issues, for their problems, and we'll be giving them free session, a Zoom session or a voice session wherein they can talk to us in complete transparency and complete honesty, but we will maintain their confidence कि उनको कोई भी अगर चीज डिस्कस करनी है हमसे, so we'll be giving them 2 free sessions, one each to 2 people. So please stay tuned in. हम ये बात का वायदा है अर्चिका और मेरा कि आप लोग यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ सीख के जाएंगे, समझ के जाएंगे, और या आप हमसे कुछ ना कुछ जो आपके कंफ्यूजन हैं उनको दूर करके जाएंगे. सो वील मेक श्योर दैट हैपेंस. I don't know, Archika, there are certain comments. Let's read here. भार्गव ने भी, संकेत ने लिखा था,
Everybody is asking for a party.
ओके, पार्टी क्या, रुको ना, पहले पार्टी तो वही हमने 2 सेशंस दे रहे हैं, पहले भार्गवी से बात करो. I feel like the same for like the way Manisha feels. I don't want to marry, but my Bhargavi, don't worry. You have to get married if you want to, not because people. I am a live example of that. I'll be telling you in the future circles what age I got married. जो थोड़ा सा मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग अपनी एज के हिसाब से मैरिज करो, आपको अपने आप को डिसाइड करना है। अर्चिका मैम अपनी थ्योरी शेयर करेंगे। सो शादी जो है एक ऐसा रिश्ता है, अगर आपको नीड, देखो हर किसी को ये एक फैक्ट है गाइस कि हम सबको पार्टनर की फीलिंग होती है। वी वांट टू शेयर ourselves, our feelings, our emotions, everything with somebody, and and in an intimate manner. You understand that word, I hope. And I think I'm happy alone. If you're happy with your parents, Bhargavi, tell your parents कि अभी मेरा मन नहीं है। तो उसका तरीका क्या होता है ना बच्चा, you tell your parents that I want to get married, I share the same concern, but till I am really ready and till I really find the person I am comfortable with. देखो total comfort, total marriage, the whole life is a bumpy ride guys. झटके आएंगे ही आएंगे, चाहे कोई भी रिश्ता हो, आपका खुद का रिश्ता हो तब भी झटका लगेगा, मगर उन झटकों को आप कैसे संभालते हो, कैसे आगे बढ़ते हो, that will matter. And Sachin says, planning to marry this year. Go for it, dude. But be sure that you have your eyes open, you have your mind open. Don't just get emotional, but get emotional also and think from all the points. And Gaurav says, all the best, Sachin bro. And Deepak says, मेरा तो सब सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है। अगर ऊपर से जा रहा है तो दीपक सवाल नहीं पूछोगे तो हम आपको एक्सप्लेन कैसे कर पाएंगे। मनीषा सेज, ओ सचिन कांग्रेचुलेशन। सचिन आओ ना प्लीज, बताओ इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव फाउंड अ गर्ल, है ना अर्चिका? सचिन को आके बताना चाहिए। एंड तुम पढ़ना चाहोगी मनीषा, ये संकत ने क्या बोला?
सचिन स्पीकर नाउ।
सचिन इज अ स्पीकर। ये 2-4 कमेंट्स पढ़ लें अभी कि नहीं, पहले सचिन से बात कर लो।
Go through the comments. I'll be here. So yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for being so nice, Sachin. Sankit says,
most of the people they are wishing you.
So topic goes to advantage of marriage to disadvantage of marriage. It's not about advantage or disadvantage, my dear friends. Okay, ये सब ने thank you Harshit, thank you Deepak, thank you Shivang, thank you Sankat, thank you Manisha, thank you Suraj, thank you Sachin, and still single. Oh, still single but ready to mingle. Go on, Sachin.
Yeah, I think me, my friends are kind of one by one, everybody is getting married. So I was like, like, I don't know, what does it feel like to get married? Everyone is saying, the people who are married, they have certain opinion. People, who are not married, who are single, who will give you tons of ideas, bro, you have to do this and that. But yeah, I have find someone. But, it's very confusing whether to do it or not. Even she's not married. I am, it's like, she's the only girl who is not married. Who's not married with my same exact age, like she's, I had a crush on her since high school. So it's been a long time. She's the only girl who's not married.
Is that the reason you both have thought कि चलो शादी करते हैं, हम दोनों रह गए?
No, but I kind of like her, but her plans are very, very different. She planned to move to a different country, but we kind of like each other, but I don't know whether it's gonna work out or not, because, like everyone say, like it's all chemical reaction. Once it goes down, and you don't see that thing. So, I mean, I'm very, very confused. So, yeah.
You have come to the right platform, Sachin.
Yeah, so hopefully I will get some advice from your side. So I'll stay as a listener, but thank you for giving.
No, Sachin, stay here, please. I have certain questions to ask you. If you want to answer, please. I think Archika would also have certain questions. Sachin, marriage per se, as a lot of people, so a lot of people may think today's younger generation is confused, right, with the very idea of marriage. Because now when you have LGBTQ happening, when you have lesbians, when you have gays, when you have bisexuals, you have so much happening around that the total identity is undergoing a big change. A lot of people, no Sanket, Instagram is not responsible for all this. It's just that people are trying to come out in the open. For right reasons or wrong reasons is another issue, because psychologically we all have a lot happening in the unconscious mind. And now because you can talk it out in the open, you can try to understand a lot of things from different perspective. But again, टू अंडरस्टैंड, चीजों को समझने के लिए एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से दिमाग को आराम से खाली करके सोचना पड़ेगा. प्री कंसीव्ड नोशंस या कोर बिलीफ्स जो आपके कई चीजों को सही या गलत बोलते हैं, अगर आप उनके साथ जाओगे, यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू डू जस्टिस टू एनीथिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो इफ यू रियली आर रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स, please unprogram to reprogram. You can't do things if you are going with a mindset which already has ideologies और आप बाकी सब चीजों को सिर्फ चैलेंज करते जाओगे. अपना इंसाइट अगर आपको है कि मुझे समझना है, आई रियली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव फॉर द गुड. देखो, दो तीन चीजें हैं. एक तो दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव समझना. अगेन मैं बार बार रिपीट करती हूँ वर्ड नॉन जजमेंटल, नॉन क्रिटिकल. मैं किसी को जज करने वाली कौन हूं? आई डोंट हैव द राइट टू जज माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. आई हैव द राइट टू अंडरस्टैंड माई सेल्फ, others. I have the right to think. I have the right to put reasoning. I have the right to put an argument. But मैं अपने core beliefs और अपने cognitive distortions को लोगों के ऊपर जबरदस्ती थोप नहीं सकती हूँ. Do you agree to that, Sachin, or no? And Archika?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Anybody else who disagrees, please come on board. I am ready to talk. I am not here for any argument with anybody. We, Indian Specialized Counseling Academy, are trying to make an open platform. We want people to be able to come discuss in an open platform. मगर open platform में discussion करने के लिए दिमाग खुला होना चाहिए. दूसरे आदमी को गलत नहीं समझना है. अगर मैं पहले ही सोच लूं, अरे अर्चिका तो उसको तो कुछ नॉलेज ही नहीं है, अर्चिका को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है, then I will not be able to understand anything Archika has to say. Isn't it? Manisha says, on what basis do you say we can't judge anyone? Manisha, come, let's discuss on that. Sachin, Manisha has a question. Archika, would you want to answer?
What question here she's asking? On what
शिवांगी
basis?
saying, मनीषा ऊपर जाओ. नहीं, ऊपर वाले ऊपर नहीं, यहाँ स्पीकर पैनल वाला ऊपर आओ.
On what basis do you say we can't judge anyone? Okay,
मनीषा आ गई.
so what basis you are having to say that we can judge everyone?
Absolutely. Manisha is here, Archika. Have a talk with her.
Hi, Manisha.
Hello.
How
Hello.
are you?
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
Yeah,
So, do you have your basis to say that you can judge everyone?
no, I think as a human with intuition and capability to do, thinking, we can judge anyone and it's not wrong either. It kind of depends on your point of view. So we can't totally say that you can't judge anyone,
Okay,
right?
agree, and I'll support your answer. But are you ready to be judged by everyone?
No, that's not what we are talking about. But
No, that's
Ashima
what
ma'am
I
said that,
want to ask.
Archika, let us say, and what you're saying is making perfect sense, but let Manisha was saying something. Yes, Manisha, go on.
yeah, like Ashima ma'am said that, we can't judge anyone. Like we can't judge. Like we don't have right to judge anyone, right?
Okay,
So
yeah.
I was
Sorry,
wondering,
but Ashima, I think तुम्हें कहना चाहिए था we should not judge anyone. It's not like we can't, we should not.
Oh, okay. I think that's a modal
Yeah.
correction. We can't judge, we
Yeah.
should not judge. भाई कर तो सकते हैं मगर करना चाहिए नहीं. Archika, I stand corrected. I stand corrected.
Maybe that what
मनीषा अब
confused me.
सेंस बनती है. अर्चिका मैम ने मेरी करेक्शन करी.
yeah, like I understand, but we can't make anyone understand it, right? Like you should not judge this. Even if we try to talk to our parents and give them gyan about we should not judge, they will tell us, oh, who are you to tell me whom to judge, right? So
No.
we
बच्चा
can,
तू गलत डायरेक्शन पकड़ रही है इसकी. When I say we can't judge or we don't have the right, or as Archika ma'am corrects, we should not judge, it actually means that when we do all that, हमारे preconceived notions बन जाते हैं, हमारा एक mindset बन जाता है और हम नई चीजों को accept करने के लिए तैयार नहीं होते हैं. we can't judge, we should not judge is a way of telling that हमको जबरदस्त, अरे वो देखो वो अपने आप को कितनी स्मार्ट बनती है, पता नहीं कुछ है तो है नहीं, स्मार्ट भी नहीं है मगर उसको लगता है वो तो पता नहीं कौन सी हीरोइन है. हम ये करते हैं क्या? Umesh says, agree that in first meeting we should not judge anyone, but once we know about the particular person, then we behave as proper earlier experience, as per our experience. Umesh, now where is judging in that? Why don't you come on platform and let's talk about it? हम थोड़ा derail हो रहे हैं, but no problems. I think judging people is a way of blocking our own growth. इस चीज को ऐसे समझो, अगर मैं लोगों को जज करने में या अपने आप को जज करने में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करूंगी या उसमें निकालूंगी तो मैं सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट कहाँ पे करूंगी? यस उमेश, गो ऑन.
Good afternoon, ma'am. To whom we are judging means the persons are the people we are already familiar with very closely, or we are knowing to each other. So whenever we will interact to each other or by seeing the so far, so we are not going to judge to them, but we behave or we are having our mind about particular persons, about our earlier experience, or we are having something idea about the particular persons. So the person to whom already we are knowing, we are not going to judge to them. We are knowing about to them. So we know what is going to behave or what is going to respond if we go by XYZ. But if we are not knowing the person, new persons are there, so we are judging. In that case, we should be aware that we should not judge the person new one, but the person who's already we are knowing. So we are having some experience about that person, sir.
नो, हमें जब लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस होता है उमेश, वी आर नॉट जजिंग देम, वी आर गोइंग विद द फ्लो. अगर मुझे पता है कि आप किस तरह से बात करते हो और अगर मैंने आपके साथ एक कंफर्ट लेवल अचीव कर लिया है तो वो एक मेरे लिए अनकॉन्शियस तरीके से मेरे बात करने का आपके साथ एक प्रोसेस बन जाएगा. मैं उसमें आपको जज थोड़ी कर रही हूँ.
Okay, so to whom we are judging then?
हम सिर्फ ये कह रहे थे कि हमें लोगों को जज नहीं करना चाहिए, अपने आप को भी जज.
लोगों मीन्स कौन से लोगों को?
किसी को भी. जैसे मैंने बोला, मान लीजिए हमारे सामने कोई हमारा ऑफिस के अंदर या हमारा कोई कलीग है या कोई रिश्तेदार है, वो हमें बहुत हार्ड टाइम देता है, तो हम क्या कहते हैं?
To whom you know already.
Anybody, yes,
yes. Right?
Whom you know or whom you don't know, both.
Okay.
कहने का okay, let me just clarify this. Gaurav says if we are judging someone is not only bad for them, but in long run we can create a mindset of judging and that's harmful for self mental health. तो उमेश, जो हम कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, वो ये है कि हमें प्री कंसीव्ड नोशंस और माइंडसेट से नहीं जाना चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है कि एक अच्छे रिश्ते की डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाती है. जैसे अब यहाँ बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं शादी का नाम सुनते ही मुझे एंजाइटी हो जाती है. तो शादी को उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसी चीजें अपने आसपास देखी हैं रिश्तों में, दे हैव सीन सो मच अराउंड विच इज हैपनिंग दैट दे हैव मेड दैट थिंग. And when I was in my early 20s, I also saw a lot of marriages happening, a lot of issues in the marriages. मुझे भी शादी के नाम से ये लगता था, अरे यार, उफ, ये तो कुछ बड़ा ही बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम वाला एरिया है. इसका मतलब क्या था? I was not able to understand. तो मैं भी बाकी सब शादियों को देखकर मैंने एक जजमेंट पास कर दी कि भाई शादी तो बहुत बेकार चीज है, शादी करनी ही नहीं चाहिए. ये आईफोन यूजर है, कोई बोलते हैं हाई पीपल, क्वाइट अ सस अकाउंट आई हैव, माय बैड, आई एम काव्या, आई बिलीव जजमेंट इजंट inherited, it is quite natural, and since the day we are born, we are exposed to okay, yeah, absolutely. तो वही तो चेंज करना है बच्चा, वही तो चेंज करना है नाव्या, काव्या. And then Sachin says join in. Gaurav says ma'am I want to know what Sachin asked. Okay, आ रहे हैं. हर्षित बोलता है मुझे लड़की ढूंढनी है, भाई ढूंढो. सचिन टॉपिक, आहा, सचिन के टॉपिक पे वापस आ रहे हैं। सचिन बोल रहे हैं कि अगर उनकी जो वाइफ हैं जिनसे वो शादी करते हैं, उनके गोल्स बड़े हैं, उनके ड्रीम्स बड़े हैं, तो अगर वो बाहर चली जाती हैं और वो नहीं सचिन वापस आ जाओ यार। और अगर वो वापस नहीं जा पाते हैं तो मतलब अगर वो दोनों उसको नहीं रिलेशनशिप को प्रॉपरली समझ पाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं उस रिश्ते में मेजर प्रॉब्लम आएगी। एंड सच अ रिलेशनशिप इज कॉल्ड अ रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप विद लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, वेयर पीपल एक लोकेशन पे। और अभी एक पिक्चर भी आई मीनाक्षी सुंदरम करके, वो भी बैंगलोर, वो तो खैर बैंगलोर और उधर के ही कहीं गांव में थे, मगर अगर इफ योर पार्टनर इज हैविंग अ ड्रीम, या तो आप अपने ड्रीम को भी उसके साथ अलाइन कर लो, है ना? सचिन, can you elaborate?
Yeah, it's like if I follow her to a different country, like I have to rebuild on myself on that country, so
Yes.
I have to in line with her kind of thing, or else she has to stay in this country and kind of rebuild her career over here. I think it's more like career, I feel like if I follow her way, I will lose kind of my identity and stuff. So that's the crisis, maybe after getting married to her and move out with her and stuff, after 1 year or something, you will feel like, oh my god, what I have done, my life was so perfect here, what did I choose? So that kind of I can't find anyone else also. So I was like in a very confused state, and we kind of like each other, but even she's like that, I'm gonna follow
You know what,
her way.
Sachin? When we are confused, then most of the time answer is no. Most of the time. Otherwise, we are very clear that either we want it or we don't want it. And when you are entering in some relationship, rather than having insecure relationship, either trust each other 100% or leave.
Yeah.
I think you will have to find a common
You
ground.
have to have a very clear picture in your mind. What's your priority? Relationship, career, country, what is?
And how old are you, Sachin, by the way?
That's kind of secret. I'm under 30. But yeah.
You're under 30?
Yeah.
No, that's fine. But you have to prioritize. You have to make a list. You have to write down somewhere pros and cons of each of your priority. When you're making your career your priority, what are the pros and cons in future? When you're making a relationship your priority, what all changes you need to be, get or expect from life in
And I
future.
think,
Are you
Archika,
ready?
they'll have to do it together instead of he doing it alone.
No. I'm telling this. Yeah, they have to do it together. This is a kind of exercise. This is a kind of communication,
Right.
understanding, and they have to do it together. They have to decide what they want, how they want. Will it work? They will make it work?
It should not come in as a compromise from anybody, because it is gonna hurt in the back very big.
They should talk on each and every a segment, each and every segment. Either it's related to house, either it's related to finance, or it's traveling, or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Then
I
they
actually
get a
have this
clear
feeling
picture.
of can't leave without her sort of thing, right? The love fever kind of.
You can't leave her, then leave other things
yeah.
which are not important.
So you will have to find some common ground, Sachin, because initially, and I think guys are very let's understand this fact for all the guys and the girls here. लड़के और लड़कियों का माइंड डिफरेंट तरीके से वर्क करता है. Men, they are very single focused. वो जो कर रहे हैं वो ही कर रहे हैं. But women can multitask at the same time. They can switch between the left brain and the right brain फटाफट. But men cannot do it. अभी सचिन के दिमाग में सिर्फ शादी घूम रही है, and because he is thinking he wants to get married, and because this is the only girl, पता नहीं दूसरी लड़की. I'm sorry, Sachin, if any words come out.
Actually, Ashima, Sachin is not having marriage in his mind. He is having other stories, other situations in his mind. Marriage वो एक साइड में फिक्स एक पिक्चर है उसके माइंड में, but what is coming along with it, that is bothering him.
No, what along? Sachin, what along?
I mean, what? Relocate करना पड़ेगा, छोड़ना पड़ेगा, ये change करना पड़ेगा. All these things.
No. Let me complete what I was saying. Sachin is right now thinking, बिकॉज उसके दिमाग में ये डर है कि अगर ये लड़की चली गई, मैंने इससे शादी नहीं की, रीलोकेट नहीं किया, तो मुझे क्या दूसरी लड़की मिलेगी। जो डर है वो पीछे हैं अभी। He is ready to compromise just to get married. That is what I am thinking. Sachin, is that wrong or is that right?
I mean, I haven't thought about it. Maybe it might be one reason, right? What if you lose her? It might be because you know this girl for years, you know. And what if you can't find anyone just like her, you know? So maybe it might be. I started to think about it, like, yeah.
No, I can tell you from personal experience. नीचे सूरज is quoting my line. पता नहीं कोई मिलेगी या नहीं. We have this fear. अब जब हमारे पास छोटे छोटे एडोलेसेंट्स, लेट्स से 19-20 साल के बच्चे आते हैं, वो बोलते हैं माय बॉयफ्रेंड और माय गर्लफ्रेंड हैज जस्ट लेफ्ट मी, जस्ट ब्लॉक्ड मी, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं क्या करूं, मैं तो मर जाऊंगा, मैं तो मर जाऊंगी, यू नो, बिकॉज दे हैव दिस फीलिंग as their identity has put to stake. That child is thinking कि वो बंदा मेरी जिंदगी से चला गया तो मेरी जिंदगी में तो अब कुछ अच्छा नहीं होने वाला है. That is pretty psychological, my dear friends. ऐसा होता है. हम लोगों को जिंदगी में अगर कोई चीज मिलती है, हम उसको आसानी से क्यों नहीं छोड़ते हैं? क्योंकि अगर कोई चीज हमें कंफर्ट दे रही है तो उस चीज को, अगर मैं एक जॉब में हूं, उस जॉब को छोड़ के दूसरी जॉब अगर मुझे नहीं मिल रही है, मैं छोड़ के बैठ जाऊं और मैं दूसरी ढूंढने लगूं. डू वी हैव दिस फियर? इन द सेम वे, अगर मेरे पास एक रिलेशनशिप है, आई हैव हैड काउंसलिंग सेशन विद गर्ल्स हु वर इन relationships wherein the guys were so obsessive that they would not let the girl go anywhere. She could not, and they would literally blame her for trying to cheat on him, and those girls were wanting to be in those relationships. Why? Because probably, as I saw one comment here of Harshit saying that the faulty parenting, your childhood memories kind of doesn't know how to make positive and healthy relationship. So that fear factor comes in. आपको लगता है कि अगर मैं यहाँ से चला गया, मैंने ये छोड़ दिया, तो मुझे पता नहीं क्या होगा. Sachin, we are not trying to make you feel spooked. आपको डरा नहीं रहे हैं. We are giving you a reality.
Yeah. I mean, I totally need it. You know, it's like the people who are much more into this thing, right? I think we should take their advice. Right now, as a kid, you will do lots of mistake, right? Now you grow up, you feel like, okay, you know, what are the stupid thing which I have done in my college, and as a kid and stuff. It's not stupid, but I'm saying so. Always, need advice from expert. That for sure. But I need to have my lunch.
Sachin, there is a lot more to this. So I think there can be a lot of detailing. So you will have to first sit down and understand your perspective before you go on to understanding. Manju wants to speak. Let's hear from her.
Hello, I am audible, ma'am?
Absolutely.
Yes, you are.
Hello, ma'am. I am just installed the app and got your live video, so I join you. Hello.
Welcome. Very
Thank
nice.
you, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I am married and I get too much romantic relationship with my husband. Then romantic relationship sometimes gone wrong, bad. Not all time, ma'am.
Correct, Manju.
Her
I'm just
Archika,
Hello?
please talk to her.
Manju, you can talk in Hindi. We are okay with it.
okay. I'm just learning English, so
Oh,
I
very
installed this app.
nice, very nice. And you are really talking very nicely. You are explaining very well.
हाँ मैम ये बोल रही थी, मैं जस्ट इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए ये ऐप डाउनलोड किया था, अभी जस्ट किया ही है, तो लाइव चल रहा था ना, मैंने इंटरफेयर कर लिया. तो मैं बोल रही थी मैम, जो रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप है मैम, तो वो जब वो टाइम होता है ना, उस टाइम में अगर अपन वो रोमांटिक लगता है, आफ्टर टाइम वो टाइम चला जाता है ना, तो फिर कुछ भी रोमांटिक नहीं लगता मैम. फिर अपन को फ्यूचर दिखता है अपना, वो नहीं किया, वो मिस हो गया, वो सब चीज मतलब दिमाग में घूमती है फिर मैम.
जी रोमांस जो होता है वो एक साल दो,
अडल्ट के लिए ठीक है. फिर अगर अपन रिलेशनशिप्स के साथ अपना करियर ज्वाइन कर लिया ना, तो मैम वो सबसे बेटर आइडिया है.
देखो, इसीलिए कहते हैं जब दो लोग रिश्ते में आते हैं और स्पेशली रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स में आते हैं, चाहे वो शादी का हो चाहे वो लिव इन का हो, चाहे वो कोई भी रिलेशनशिप हो, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस है, किसी तरह का भी रिश्ता है, उसके अंदर कॉमन ग्राउंड्स होना जरूरी है।
यस
अगर
मैम।
शादी सिर्फ इसलिए की गई क्योंकि फिजिकल अट्रैक्शन था या माँ बाप ने
यस
बोला था, तो वो शादी में कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि आपने अपने परसेप्शंस क्लियर नहीं किए, आपने अपनी आइडिया, यू डिड नॉट मेक योर आइडियोलॉजीज क्लियर, है ना मंजू?
यस मैम। मैम मैं तो मैरिड हूँ, 2 बच्चे भी है मेरे।
मंजू, आप वापस इंग्लिश में, यू कैन गो ऑन टू स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश इफ you want, my
Okay.
dear, because you said you want to learn, and as
Yes, ma'am.
Suraj also
I
says,
want to speak spoken English. By the way, I installed the app because
very good,
I want to speak English.
absolutely. Please go on in English and say a little more for everybody to hear. Then we'll go on to Baldev. Go on,
Ma'am,
my
this
dear.
And
particular topic you want to speak.
Yes,
it's
you
okay,
Definitely.
tell us
Manju. You
how
can
long
join
you have
Baldev
been.
sir's circle. Baldev sir is here, and
1
for
minute,
English you
Archika.
can
Let
join
Manju
him.
complete. Manju, how long you have been married, and
Ma'am,
how big are your kids? Just tell us that.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have been married 14 years. I have 2 children, one 14 years old and one is 3 years old. And my
Okay.
elder son is studying in 9th standard KV. So after getting children, I got the relationship is between this age 20 or 25. That's all. After getting
20.
children, we get too much responsibility for us to studying, management career, all of this. But some understanding with will be our heart, both of them, husband and wife only.
Absolutely. Baldev, thank you, Manju. Thank you. You spoke beautifully. Romance is just for a period. So to go on, to have that romance going on, you have to find common grounds. And I think Baldev would be the right person to tell us that. Baldev sir, कहाँ चले गए? अर्चिका मैम बोल रही हैं आप आइए, बलदेव सर, और मनीषा बोल रही हैं हर्षित, आई विल गेट मैरिड आफ्टर बलदेव सर विल गिव मी अ रिमोट। बलदेव, आपके स्टूडेंट्स कुछ बोल रहे हैं. मनीषा सेज डोंट लाफ ऑन but it requires humor to. Okay, Suraj sent Manju a very responsible and nice person badge. Thank you very much. बलदेव सर कहाँ चले गए? बलदेव सर is not wanting to join. बलदेव कहाँ चले गए भाई? अर्चिका आप ही बुला लो भाई. अर्चिका मैम आ गए
Yeah,
बलदेव.
Shiva.
या बलदेव बाबा जी की जय हो. बाबा जी प्लीज ज्ञान दीजिए. सर आप, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. बलदेव सर कैन यू? बाबा जी इज ब्लशिंग. बाबा जी इज टॉकिंग. बाबा जी वी कांट. कहाँ गए बलदेव? आई थिंक ही हैज सम प्रॉब्लम विद हिज नेटवर्क. Let's see again. Yeah. I think there is some network issue with Baldev. Baldev, is there a network issue? Khud Guru, you guys forgot. Khud Guru? Yeah. Carry on. I think Baldev is not.
Actually, we were talking about this counseling thing and premarital counseling you were talking about before all these things started. And he's here. Baldev, you want to talk? Please carry on. His network is issue.
Yeah, I think it is showing that it is unstable. And no, sir, you're not audible, my dear friend. You're not audible. Today, you see, the relationship between the network and Baldev is going bad. So, but Baldev is very comfortably, very calmly trying to come back, trying to go back. So that is what is with the relationships also. So, going back to what we were. Communication when you be not able to understand. Baldev, can you speak now, my dear?
Deepak is saying Baldev Baba consumed his 100% data. Is that so, Baldev? Now we'll ask for GPay, huh?
So we need GPay to be done.
Should we, Baldev?
All right everybody, so communication issue is the first. अगर हम सिर्फ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं और सिर्फ लोगों को खुश करने के लिए कुछ करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने आप से नाइंसाफ कर रहे होते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग रिश्तों में ये करते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं जरूरी है, बट नॉट टू द लेवल जहां पे आप खुद का गला दबा दो और आपको खुद की पहचान खत्म हो जाए. टाइम से ये भी मैरिड हैं, ये भी बता पाएंगी कि कई बार लेडीज जो होती हैं और खासकर लेडीज जो अरेंज मैरिज में होती हैं, because they are taught that you have to compromise this and that, so they are not able to communicate their real feelings to others. So इस वजह से कहीं ना कहीं मन ही मन के अंदर there is something which gets brewed, तो communication errors हो जाते हैं. और communication errors होने से क्या होता है, then expectation levels खराब हो जाते हैं. You know, if I'm expecting my husband to do something for me and he's expecting something from me to do another, तो दोनों का communication ही नहीं हुआ कि उसकी जरूरत क्या है. और हम लोग क्या कहना, हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है यार, हम लोग इमोशंस में इतने बह जाते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि सामने वाले को हमारी बात खुद ब खुद समझ आ जाएगी. ये बात सच है कि गलत है? We think that people will understand. Archika, you're saying something? Yeah.
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
no,
ये
I
तो
was
है.
listening.
जी मंजू, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
आप कैसे समझेगा मैम जब तक अपन कुछ हिंट नहीं देंगे. जैसे कुछ
हाँ.
फाइटिंग भी हो जाए एक दूसरे के बीच में तो एक जना माफी मांगेगा तो वो माफी वही मांगेगा जो हस्बैंड है. मतलब ये एक्सपेक्ट करती है लेडीज.
But ऐसा होता है क्या हमेशा?
होता है.
How many times?
अर्लियर डेज होता था मैम, अब 2 बच्चे होने के बाद कुछ नहीं होता है, हमें माफी मांगनी पड़ती है.
What about others who are not married and they are still in relationship? They are having, a girlfriend-boyfriend relationship, live-in, or some kind of other. What actually matters and who actually comes first for saying sorry? Do they realize their mistake and the whosoever has done it
That
take
time, ma'am. That
confess?
time,
Manisha says stay single and be happy. Manisha, yes. If you are happy and you're single and you are okay with your friends being married everywhere and you're okay going and enjoying with them, and so long as you're enjoying, it's all right. Absolutely okay. But if in your heart somewhere you feel that you need to have a partner, you need to have a companion, you will have to look at things from a different thing, right? Manisha, yes, you have a long way to go if you are a teenager. Absolutely. अभी
But
तो
I
सोचना भी
think,
मत.
Ashima, first मुझे लगता है the base and the concept that is not clear, that why we are getting married, what we need. Marriage is not just about a ritual or some institutions, as we are always explain the family thing and all. Is somebody we are getting into our life as our best friend. And if we are having a good relation, good communication, so we can find every relationship in that person. We can become we can behave as a sibling when the other person is required. We can behave like a mother or a father or the person who can advise. We can play with each other as a friends. So it is all about all these things. It's not all about the one, the having sex, having this kind of relationship, or the somebody will be there when you come home. Definitions, they are all messed up in minds. And that is why I guess this concept इतने हिले हुए हैं कि क्लैरिटी ही नहीं है. पिक्चर ही गलत हो जाती है तो उसके कलर्स आप भरने लगते हैं तो सब आप डार्क कर देते हैं. You are not getting that light tone of the color. You are not getting the right, texture of the color. तो एक पिक्चर में को बहुत सुंदर बनाने के लिए कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, कलर का टेक्सचर, कलर का बेस, सब कुछ होना बहुत जरूरी है. So, एक रिलेशनशिप और मैरिज को समझने के लिए भी ये सुपरफिशियली हम लोग बातें करते हैं, बहुत सुपरफिशियली ऊपर से ना, ये हो रहा है, ये होता है, ये होता है, लड़ाई होती है, झगड़े होते हैं, काम बताते हैं, ये बताते हैं, but it's not about that. It's a very, very deep understanding of the relation. And this is what I'll say with every relation. And one thing I want to ask everybody, that why we are keep searching for the right person, why we don't focus to become that right person.
Very, very good question, Archika. That if you become what you want to be, I think then in your life you will be able to attract the same kind of people. When our own core beliefs, our own cognitions, our own belief system is faulty, we'll have such people in life who are in that faulty zone. Baldev, are you back, dear?
Hey, I have tried everything.
फाइनली बलदेव आपने जीपे कर दिया क्या मुझे?
Yes,
आपका कनेक्शन
yes,
ठीक हो गया?
yes. मैं आपको जीपे कर दूंगा यार. I don't know.
Go on, Baldev.
So we all are talking about love, right? It's all about relationship and love. But do we really value love? Do we really understand what love is? If you don't love yourself, you will never be able to love anyone else in your life. That's it. If you don't value or love yourself, no, you will never understand what is love.
Correct.
Love is being in the nature. Love is talking to unknown people. Love is sharing, being considerate. Right? That is love. So, like when I get up in the morning, I want to stay fit. I want to stay happy. I want to have a smile on my face so that I can make my partner happy. I'm working on myself. I don't want my partner to change. I'm working on myself every day. If you respect or love yourself, no, you're going to end up in a bad relationship. That's it. You will always have complaints. 10 years, after 20 years, life will turn into a mundane, general routine. And that's it. You'll stop loving anyone around you.
Yeah, absolutely. Baldev, today we are talking about, you're absolutely right, not the simple concept of love, but we are talking about relationship and a romantic relationship wherein the value system is so strong that we can really gel well, we can have shared goals, we can have respect, we can have an open communication. If there is a conflict, we should know how to resolve it. We should be able to, this one has his issue, the girl is wanting to, Sachin is telling us that the girl is wanting to go abroad, and if he gets married to her and if he goes with her, that is a total change for him. So he can't just do it for the feeling of love or the feeling that this is the only person. So they will have to probably work. If they really are strong together, they will have to sit down, they'll have to understand each pro and con of the being in relationship with each other. Will in the long run they are going to feel good about it, or right now in an emotional movement they can think about it and go for it, and later on probably regret. So I think this is the time which is going to be very fluctuating. Such times are the times when people will have to, instead of blaming each other, instead of judging each other, they will have to sit down, they'll have to understand what kind of conflicts can be there, what kind of communication errors can be there, what expectations will go wrong, what priorities would change, what kind of stresses are going to be there, so that they can decide on being together in good. Otherwise, if they just do it for the heck of it, in the long run it is gonna make it bad. It is probably going to be making people think, why did I in the first place do it? And as you very rightly said, Baldev, that people will have to have a great connection with themselves. You will have to have a romantic relationship with yourself. As Manisha says, sometimes people project their insecurities. Absolutely. So you will have to, if you are getting into a new relationship, if you're wanting to have a relationship, the relationships are going bad because you're projecting your insecurity, you're projecting your fears, you're projecting your supremacy on others.
I think we behave immaturely. That's it, right? So
Absolutely.
it's not about good all the time, right? Right?
No.
Right? It's not about good. What do you say, right, Ashima?
And it is not about
good all the time. It's like everything should be good. No,
we can't be good all the time, right?
It's absolutely all right?
Yeah.
Learn to deal with your adversities as well, right?
Very
So
true.
this is something you should learn to deal with. It has nothing to do with your relationship. If your relationship is not going good, if you have some conflict, right, try to resolve it.
True.
Not just start complaining about it. right? Try to resolve it. Behave maturely, right? If you don't get your answers, if it's difficult to resolve your issues or conflict, right, then think wisely what is right, what is wrong, right? Make good decisions and move on in life, right?
Baldev, what you said makes complete sense. It's about understanding each other and trying to communicate well instead of trying to say, "Bhai, tu teri wajah se hua ye." You have done this.
Asima, we want quick returns, right? We don't give time to our relationships. That's what happens, especially in today's time. Like, okay, it should be quick. It's Valentine's Day, let's celebrate it. That's it. It should be quick. It's Hug Day, let's celebrate it. It's Rose Day. It's something. You didn't wish me on my birthday. This is the thing. I saw you're texting
Yeah,
somebody.
Baldev, you have not wished me on my birthday. Today is my birthday, Baldev.
Oh, I'm extremely sorry. Happy birthday. Happy. Many happy birthdays. But it's like we look for quick returns. It's like we have invested in some business. It's SIP, guys. Right? It's not stock exchange, it's SIP. Wait, be patient, right? Give this other person some time, personal space. You also, lead a dignified relationship, right? Don't lose your identity or dignity in the process of, being in a relationship or stay together. Am I right? Right?
Yeah,
Are you going to deepen
absolutely. Thank you, Sunita. Manisha is saying it's not about being perfect, but it's about open communication and desire to stay with each other irrespective of anything. Very right, absolutely. Shivang says he is to be blamed more for giving a perfect picture. Karan Johar. Karan Johar, no, my dear friends, 100% self. Absolutely. See, self-respect should not transform into self-ego. There is a very thin line between these things. मैं अपने आप को रेस्पेक्ट करती हूँ कि भाई जब भी मुझे खाली टाइम चाहिए मेरे आसपास से सब हट जाओ. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. But we have to learn to understand each other. As Baldev very rightly said, we have to learn to give time to each other, understand each other, instead of trying to expect from each other, instead of trying to pile on things to the other, instead of prioritizing. मैं अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज कर दूंगी तो मैं रिश्ते को भी प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Self priority is important, my friends.
I would like to say something in Hindi, if you allow me, right?
Yeah, please go on.
हाँ, ये नहीं है कि पति ऑफिस से घर आया तो उसके लिए 4 पराठे 10 तरह की चाय सब्जियां बना के अभी खा. ठीक है भाई,
अभी खा.
हाँ, बोलेगा भूख लगे तो खाना बना के दो. Have some dignity, right? उसको भी लगेगा कि भाई बीवी के पीछे जाना पड़ेगा तभी खाना मिलेगा. He will also show respect.
पति को ये समझना पड़ेगा, बीवी को भी यही नहीं करना पड़ेगा अभी खा, और पति को भी यही नहीं हो जब मैं बोलूंगा मेरा खाना तभी गरम आना चाहिए. ये भी नहीं हो सकता है ना. So they'll have to work it out कि अगर बीवी बोली अभी खा तो पति बोले नहीं अभी नहीं खाऊंगा, और पति बोले जब कहूंगा तब दे, वो बोलेगी नहीं. Let's work out a time. Let's do it at a time together, ताकि हम दोनों को बुरा नहीं लगे और हम दोनों in sync हो. Isn't it? Archika, 1.5 minutes. And Baldev has again
I think you are doing
Baldev का
great
जीपे
and
खत्म. Baldev का जीपे खत्म हो गया.
बलदेव को मुझे जीपे करना है and I think
Manju
I
wants to
want
say
to.
something. Manju, Archika, 1 minute. दीपक को शायद लगा मंजू आप बोलना चाह रहे हो?
No, ma'am, I'm just listening and improving my listening skill.
No, and you can also speak, my dear. So remember one thing, Manju. When
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी आवाज, एक चीज आपको बोलना चाहूंगी. Your voice is very, very friendly. It is a wonderful voice with a lot of energy, and you have a beautiful voice with a lot of energy. Just keep it like that. और आप बहुत अच्छे बोलते हो, बहुत खूबसूरत बोलते हो.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, और बस लगे रहो. यहाँ आपको सब आगे अपने साथ देखना कितने दोस्त आपको कितने अच्छे से बोल. Yes, Sunita says confident. Absolutely. Archika, 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's wrap it up.
Ma'am, it is
I think you can wind it
जी,
up.
मंजू क्या कह रहे हो?
ma'am, it is totally free app.
नहीं 5 सर्कल आई थिंक थोड़ा सा देखो, अगर 500,000 रुपया साल के लिए देना पड़ जाए तो बहुत कम है, बट आपको सोचना पड़ेगा आपके लिए क्या सही है, क्योंकि अगर आपको इतनी सारे दोस्त, इतनी सारी चीजें फ्री में, मतलब बहुत थोड़े से पैसे में मिल रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा है. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. हाँ,
That was only trial and okay.
5 sessions are trials, girl.